Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please read the disclaimer stated in the description before watching the video. Now I am going to inform you about the hierarchy of law in India. The hierarchy of law dictates which law takes precedence when there is a conflict is determined by constitutional supremacy. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of the land. No law or policy can override it. In India, the hierarchy of laws is determined by a system known as constitutional supremacy. This means the Constitution of India is the ultimate legal authority. No law passed by Parliament or state legislatures can violate it, and if it does, the judiciary can declare it unconstitutional. Let's see the hierarchy of legal authority from highest to lowest. First, the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of the land. Any other law or constitutional amendment inconsistent with it is legally void. Second, statutory laws or primary legislation. These laws passed by the Indian Parliament or state legislatures. If there is a direct conflict between a central law or a state law regarding a shared object, the central law prevails. Third, delegated or subordinate legislation. Rules, regulations, and bylaws created by government ministries, municipal bodies, or any other local authorities. These are only valid if it falls within the boundaries set by primary statutory laws. Fourth, customary laws and usage. Long-standing local customs are recognized by court provided if they do not violate any existing statute or the constitution.